Okay, so this is what I've got. I've got my Minim Goalbar and my Minim Stream Goals. You can see that they're two different sizes. Right. Starting off on the Stream Goals, you want to group all of them together. Call that Stream Goals. You then copy the background from the Goalbar Minim and paste that duplicate behind the Stream Goals. You click on the group and you resize that to fit within the confines of the Goalbar. Just like that. Ignore the this here, that I've got to change that. So once you've got them both roughly the same size, that'll do, that'll fit. You go back to your Minim Goalbar, click copy filters and paste the filters into there. So now they look virtually identical in size. Open up a third scene, which I call in this case SI because it's a second interface. Get off. Second input even. Rotating goals. I add in a source switcher, which is there. Call that rotating Goalbar. You select the scene that you want, which in this case is the Minim Goalbars. F2, Control C, click on the plus and post it into there. Same again with the other one. Time switch, leave that on 5000 milliseconds because if you look at the stream stat, no, it's the stream stats, the other one, the Goalbar, you'll see that it has an automatic rotation on it. Ignore the gifted sub because that's not included, of 1000 milliseconds. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Altogether. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Plus that one, that is your 5. Alright. I then go down to transition and fade. So it looks like that. Now I want to get up in that top corner there. So what I've got is I've got a DSK, which is a Downstream Keyer, as you can see here. So I go to my DSK intermix, which you can get from the Streamup website. I can find it again. Here we are, DSK Blur Intermix. You put it onto this scene. SI rotating goals. Alt mouse resize the frame. Let go of the Alt key. Move it up to where you want it. If it doesn't quite fit, readjust using Shift. There we go. So it's up in the top corner there. Make sure your DSK blur scene is on. So if you go to a different scene, you'll see that it's still up in the top corner. And of course, as you can see there, I have a scrolling text up there as well. That is from a notepad file that I've got, a text file that I've got. And at the bottom here, is the Stream Elements overlay with my chat on it. And that's the Spotify plugin from Christina. And as you can see, they're all where I want them on the screen. I have all my alerts and everything on that DSK there as well. As you can see there.